Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to integrate GoHighLevel with your favorite tools. Whether you're looking to streamline your workflow, connect marketing platforms, or sync customer data across systems, knowing how to properly integrate third-party apps with GoHighLevel can save you hours of manual work and make your business operations far more efficient. First, open your web browser and navigate to your GoHighLevel login page. Enter your credentials and click Login to access your dashboard. Once you're logged in, you'll see the main interface where all your campaigns, contacts, and settings are managed. Now look over to the left-hand navigation menu. Here you'll find the App Marketplace option. Click on it and you'll be directed to the App Marketplace page. This is GoHighLevel's central hub for all available integrations, and it's where you'll discover hundreds of apps designed to expand your platform's capabilities. From the App Marketplace page, you'll see several apps that GoHighLevel allows integration with. You can browse through these options manually to explore what's available, or if you already know what you're looking for, use the search bar on the right side to quickly locate a specific tool. This makes it easy to find exactly what you need without scrolling endlessly. Once you've found an app you want to integrate, go ahead and click on it. This will open up more detailed information about that particular integration. You'll now be directed to the overview page of the app you've chosen. From this page, you can see important details like the app category, pricing structure, and app version. It's worth taking a moment here to scroll down and check the permission details, which explain what access the app will have to your GoHighLevel account. You can also review the app rating and user feedback to ensure it meets your needs and has a good track record. Once you've reviewed everything and decided this is the right integration for you, click on Install. A pop-up window will appear, and this is where you'll have the option to select which sub-account this app will be integrated with. If you manage multiple clients or businesses under one GoHighLevel account, this step ensures the integration is applied to the correct workspace. Once you've made your selection, click on Continue. That's it. You've successfully connected a third-party tool to GoHighLevel, giving you more power and flexibility in how you manage your marketing, sales, and customer relationships. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.